Here's a 2013 Lexus LS460. Style and comfort, performance and control, indulgence. In this Lexus, you get it all. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Streaming audio, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, power heated mirrors, power sliding and tilting sunroof, automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, external memory control, dual zone climate control, rear wheel drive, front and rear camera parking sensors, and V8 engine. Car and Driver explains from the brand's inception, Lexus has captured a profitable portion of 1%ers who shun ostentation and appreciate quality, a mission spearheaded by the LS. Judging by its long list of luxury features and the lineup's overall serene character, this latest flagship will maintain the status quo. Live a lifestyle that leaves a lasting impression in this Lexus. Take it for a test drive today.
Thank you for looking at this quality pre-owned vehicle from Audi Cary, a Leith dealership. We're located at 600 Auto Park Boulevard in Cary, North Carolina.